Hi everyone, greetings from beautiful and busy Dubai. Nice view from up here. We are actually in Dam Sirona Academy in Business Bay, doing some arrangements for the hands-on courses in 2024. This is Mirko Popovic, dental technician.
Hey everyone.
How many crowns are you actually doing there, and
18 at the moment.
for what reason? If one is wrong, you'll do the other. You still have 17 chances. All right, and also Dr. Abdelaziz, he's doing some settings on the scanners.
Hello,
The
everyone.
CAD-CAM magician. So this course is a real hands-on, meaning that we work with small groups, just a few participants, and each one of you will have the chance to work on the chair with suction, with mannequins, with real handpieces, burrs, materials, and so on, exactly like you will have in your clinic setup. In the first day, we will do rubber dam isolation, so you will apply rubber dam in all possible scenarios when dealing with Class 1, Class 2 restorations, delivering crowns or onlays. Anterior teeth, you will exercise how to deliver veneers and crowns. So everything regarding rubber dam isolation will be covered in the first day. The second day will be all about the rehabilitation of posterior quadrants with ceramic restorations. And of course, we will embed rubber dam in the process, meaning that we will prep with rubber dam, do deep margin elevation, immediate dentin sealing, even scan with rubber dam. And Dr. Abdelaziz will show us all the tips and tricks about how to manage the restorative space with the help of the scanners and how to be able to scan and evaluate our preparation, keeping the rubber dam on, not seeing the antagonist. This is amazing nowadays with the help of this new technology. And after scanning, Mirko, who is, I'm not sure where he is, I think he's in his secret room, in the CAD-CAM room. Yeah, Mirko will show us all the tips and tricks about milling, staining, glazing, and hopefully everything will be good, not like last time. Just joking and teasing him. Once the restorations are finished, we go back to the dental units and deliver everything with rubber dam isolation. And we will take some beautiful photos as well. Click on the link in bio to see all the details for the 2024 hands-on courses. Look forward to seeing you in Dubai.
Put your hands on, put your hands on, put your hands on, put your